Okay. And first of all, we would like to acknowledge our guests, Mr. Felix Yu from Pepsi, together with Johnny Simba and Alex Uruguay. We'd like to acknowledge Ms. Julie Simeria, Yvonne Termino, Vico Gonzalez, Fernie Hayagan, Neil Santilia, Ellen Marquez, Attorney Laksa, Mr. Victor Villegas, Victor Cabrera, Sonia Malaya, Ms. Judil Cabizon, John Bautista. Okay? We have our guest from San Miguel already. Okay. Mike Boy and Jonathan Morong. Hi. They're invited to the entertainment for tonight. So, they and also Pepsi.
Wait muna kami. Nalate si Karen.
Modern, so far.
Hi everyone!
Lalaki. Oo, sama dyan. Lalaki yun. Lalaki, laman dyan na supat. Pagkabang mo. Kung babae na nila salita. Ang dito lang yun. Ay siya yaka yun.
Okay, so pampabuenas tayo ngayong gabi. Let's start the program with the raffle. Okay, palakpakan muna tayo dyan. HR, where is the Maluwagang fishbowl?
Yung mga raffle nila.
Okay. Sige, we'll draw the winners na lang later because there are still guests coming in, so we will wait for the others para masama sila sa raffle. Okay.
I guess everybody is in the mood. Obviously, the theme for tonight is retro. So, what is the LCI? Ready to fight for that?
Yeah! So, I would like to acknowledge the special effort of Cinema Marketing and Sales. Panalo, di ba? Pwede ba? Ms. Leslie Go? Bakit hindi sila masyado maghanda? Diba? Hindi, obvious.
Mag-Leslie, kaya pala nabubos sa recording story yung afternoon eh.
Actually, ganun pala sa stand-out na color eh. Alam ko, ako yung taga-Muntinlupa, pero marami ako nakikita mukhang galing Preso, mga naka-orange. Kaway naman dyan from Sample! Ang lakas ko sigaw nila. Sigaw naman kayo, sabi ko lang kaway eh. Has everybody filled in the drop na kayo? We got lots of prizes in store for tonight. This is a big budget party. It's a combination of budget ng LCI and what EC dito. So hold on to your stops and we'll have several raffle draws all evening. Take note, we'll be here until 1 p.m.
Okay. So for the YBC, let's start with the raffle. For the regular employees, we will be raffling off 6 gift certificates. So, bubulot na po kami sa Maluwagang fishbowl.
Punong-puno ka pa. Kaway sila.
And the orange tab represents LCI.
Punong-puno. Ano nakalaki yung tab? Hindi nyo inurot? Sa unahan ko. Ano ba? Grabe ko sa ibig eh.
Maliit kasi ng yellow stub eh.
Ha?
Sa taas yung mga... Dapat malaki yung kwan. Kung sa baba ka, wala ka.
Wala na pag-asa yung sa iba.
Okay, our first lucky winner is from Megamon. What is he? Her name is Michelle Dayon. Please come over, please.
Okay, mauna na kayo.
Next is from MOA, from IMAX. Miss Algatera and Miss
May gift certificate po kayo kung magkano secret.
Sample. And the sample, Miss
And now for the MCI vote.
Last but not least, no, for what he is from South Korea. Miss Karen Gay Defiel.
Wala ko eh.
To complete our first raffle for this evening is from SMB Kutan, from Treasury Department, Miss Maricel Talangala.
Ay, wala. Hindi ka lang. Wala pala ka talang galang mo.
And of course, from the raffle vote from LCI Incorporated, employee number 4088492. Kung sino ka? Josephine Jongay, Santa Mesa Operations.
Tapos isang magandang minor prize para sa mga regular employees ng YTC. We have for the Lagromania gas stove. Ito yung mag-draw ng winner.
The winner natin is Christine Joy Astilia.
YTC Marketing. Again from LCI, Josephine John.
Ito si Aki mo. Iwan mo.
And for the LCI group, the second winner is from Valenzuela, Maria Bernadette Bautista.
And then we have our first from YTC Pro B from SM Fairview. Catherine Ponpawe.